Good day! In this quiz, there will be 25 items and you are given 15 seconds to answer it. Kindly observe silence while taking the quiz. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. Which is the highest? Number 2. Which is the highest? Question number 3. Which is the highest? Question number 4. Which is the highest? Number 5. Which is the highest? Question number 6. Which is the highest? Question number 7. Which is the highest? Number 8. Which is the highest? Question number 9. Which is the highest? Number 10. Which is the lowest? Number 11. Which is the lowest? Question number 12. Which is the lowest? (13) Which is the lowest? Number 14. Which is the lowest? Number 15. Which is the lowest? Number 16. Which is the lowest? Number 17. Which is the lowest? (18) Which is the lowest? 19. Which is the lowest? 20. Which is the lowest? 21. Which is the lowest? 22. Which is the lowest? 23. Which is the lowest? 24. Which is the highest? 25. Which is the lowest? 'Congratulations! This is the end of the quiz. In a little while, we will be checking your answer sheet. Please observe honesty. Good day! In this quiz, there will be 25 items and you are given 15 seconds to answer it. Kindly observe silence while taking the quiz. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. Which is the highest? The highest is 6. Number 2. Which is the highest? The highest is 13. Question number 3. Which is the highest? The highest is 21. Question number 4. Which is the highest? The highest is 22. Number 5. Which is the highest? The highest is 22. Question number 6. Which is the highest? The highest is 51. Question number 7. Which is the highest? The highest is 69. Number 8. Which is the highest? The highest is 68. Question number 9. Which is the highest? The highest is 3.0. Number 10. Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1.1. Number 11. Which is the lowest? The answer is 1.1. Question number 12. Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1. (13) Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1. Number 14. Which is the lowest? The lowest is 2. Number 15. Which is the lowest? The answer is 6. Number 16. Which is the lowest? The lowest is 19. Number 17. Which is the lowest? The lowest is 11. 18. Which is the lowest? Answer is 18. (19) Which is the lowest? The lowest is 18. (20) Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1.4. (21) Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1.9. (22) Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1.1. (23) Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1/8. (24) Which is the highest? The highest is 3/4. 25. Which is the lowest? The lowest is 1/8. Congratulations! This is the end of the quiz. Now it's time to count your correct answers and write down your score on the upper right-hand corner of your notebook. Again, congratulations.